Okay, this lecture is a continue of the basic charts in Excel. So next graph we want to create is called the stem and leaf plot. So stem and leaf plots. So Excel does not really have functions to do that stem leaf plots. So for this example, we just use this as an example and create a similar graph, but not exactly called stem leaf plots. So we have 29 samples of math score, and this math score, so you can see we copy. This is a raw sample, and goes to here. So we try to sort these values here. So in this case, we first sort these values. So instead of sorting the original data, we just sort the one we just copied, and then use this one on the function the sort. So click here, the first one we want to sort the smallest to largest, and so sometimes it will ask you where to put those sorted data. But I already set it in the place, so it does not ask me. So this is sorted data. Look at the values. So smallest 17, highest value is 92, and all values is in the ascending order. So for this one, we want to try to create a stem leaf plots. So first here, so we see we use tens. So first digits is 1, second digit 2, third digit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since we don't have 100, so that's the 9 is the highest values. So 9 indicate 90s, 10 is tens. So for the tens, we only have one score is 17, so that's the second digits is 7. For 20s, also we have second, only one data is 25, so 25. And for 40s, we have 44 and 48. So the first value is 44, second one 48. 50s, we have 4, 4, 5, 6. So copy those values 4, 4, 5, 6. And then 60s, we have 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 9, 9. 6, 7, 9, and 9. For 70s, we have 0, and then 3, 5, 5. So 3, 5, 5, 5, and next one 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. And for 80s, we have 0 and 2, 2, 6, 8. 2, 2, 6, 8. And the 90s, we only have 92. So this is basically the shape of stem leaf, but just the space. So we want to remove those space. The easy way to do is, of course, you can drag this one to here. Rather than drag by your hands, so you can see once here, this cursor once you put in the middle of this border, and double click, and double click again, double click again. Okay, so look at here. So this is the so basically, this is quite similar as a stem and leaf plots. So this one will give us more value information we want, so that we can see the highest one is 60s, and then we have 70s. So it's kind of like a histogram, but in the vertical this is the vertical indication of the histograms. Okay, once we read this one, so we can create the histogram and the box plots once we want to answer questions on this distribution of this one. So mostly you can see it's quite close in this range. The problem is these two values. We want to see if it's outlier, if there's outliers in these ends. So we do the box plots rather than do the histogram. We just do the box plot. So select all the data, insert box plots. We want to try to see if there's outliers, and this box plots also indicate this 17 is an outlier. So you can see this one, you can answer questions. This is a unimodal because this one gave us the highest values in 60s, so only one mode, so let's gradually reduce and also gradually reduce, but this one 17 is an outlier. So you can see this point 17 is an outlier. Okay, that's the lecture for this second basic chart in Excel, and thank you.